Alright, I'm back. This is where they were going to brood, hopefully. Got a nesting box there. Water with the gutter coming down. Always have water for them. So anyways, let's go up and take a look at what I built today. Took a couple hours, but 4 2x12 with 12 feet long. Put them here right in a real sunny spot, and made them 4 feet by 12 feet. I mean 4 feet by 8 feet. So we got 2 of them there. Need to get the topsoil and get that put in, and got some plastic down. Kill off the grass that's underneath it. Usually I've never had a problem with grass coming up after I put 12 inches of top, or probably 10 inches of topsoil in there. Oh, something cool that's happening in the pond. The wood toads come out and they mate in the pond every year. And you can see these little guys. They're like all over the place, moving around, mating, laying eggs. Happens every year. Starts to get a little warm, like it was today. It was on 85 degrees, and here they came. So we'll go over here. I'll show you my Arctic kiwi, which you have to have a male and a female, and in order to get kiwi. And it takes about 5 years, and I planted this one. It's on this vine here. I planted this one 2 years ago, and see there? I don't know if you see it. That's a Anna female kiwi, and then this one here is the male kiwi. We live in kind of mid to upper Virginia, well actually upper Virginia. So these should do good, but it takes about 5 years for them to produce fruit. Then we go over here. That's where my ducks eat from. There's a huge hydrangea that's just starting to bud. And over here are the anaconda ducks that I have to hopefully control the duckweed in the pond. And these guys, whoa, a little frisky. Strange thing happened